Okay, so Ash, you are a performer.
Yes.
Right? And you live in Sweden.
Yes.
That's different. I've never had anybody from Sweden before.
I know.
A singer, right?
Uh-huh.
What type of music do you perform?
Right now I'm in a group called The Mamas, and
Mamas.
we do pop.
You gotta give us something. You know, you gotta hit a note for us or something. You know?
Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile with your fear and sorrow, smile. And maybe tomorrow you'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile.
Woo! Got goosebumps. Look at that. There it is.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Wow. Ooh, fix my leg. Wow. Okay.
Any pain with it?
No pain. Just like relief.
Relief, right? Yeah.
So like, I love the sound. It's beautiful. It's music to my ears.
Doing some stretches for your neck. I'm gonna place one hand right here and one on top of your head, okay?
Okay.
What I would like you to do is take a deep breath for me.
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. And breathe out. How was that?
Fine.
You think I can go a little further?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. And release. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing on this side, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep breath for me. And release. How did that feel?
Fine.
Think I can go a little further?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. And let it out. Alright, we're gonna do one more time on this side, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. And let it out. How was that?
Fine.
Breathe in. And release. Alright. One more time on this side. Breathe in. And let it out. Yes, I'm gonna go a little further, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. And release. Alright, now I'm gonna turn your head this way and I'm gonna place it down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. And let it out. How did that feel?
Fine.
Alright. Do a little bit on this side. Breathe in. And let it out. How was that? Tight?
Mm-hmm. A little bit tight, but still
Alright.
fine.
If any time that it's too tight or uncomfortable, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna turn your head this way. And release. Breathe in. And let it out. Alright, one more time. Breathe in. And let it out. Alright, ready for the next step? It's gonna be on the mat.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is place one hand on your hip
Mm-hmm.
and one hand in the air. Keep your feet flat on the floor, and you're gonna tilt your body to the left. You feel that?
Yep.
All right. You're gonna do the same thing for this side.
Okay.
And just tilt your body just a little bit, and you can hold it right there. How did that feel? Is it too tight?
Nope.
All right. We're gonna do it one more time again. All right. How did that feel?
Okay.
Feels good. Just hold it right there. Then you're gonna place your hands right here, just like this, and just turn your body just a little bit, okay? What I would like you to do is take a deep breath for me,
Mm-hmm.
and let it out. How did that feel? Good. Can I go further?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath. And release. All right, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Breath for me. This is one. Take a deep breath for me. How did that feel? Think I can go a little further? Take a deep breath. And let it out. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Take a deep breath. And let it out. How did that feel? Think I can go further? Take a deep breath. And let it out. All right. Now we're going to do this side. Take a deep breath. And let it out. How was that? You think I could go a little further? Breathe in. And release. We're just going to hold it here just for a little bit, okay? All right. Ooh, we just stayed onto the mat. And that was all our stretches. And our stretches in there.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge at the MV Chiropractor, and I'm here today with Ash. Okay, so Ash, you are a performer.
Yes.
Right? And you live in Sweden.
Yes.
That's different. I've never had anybody from Sweden before.
I know.
How is it like over there? You like it?
It's awesome. I love my work there. The people that I work with, it's been amazing. It's a lot different than here. But
Than here, right.
I love it.
That's far, far away.
Yeah, about 10 hours.
Wow. Okay. So what type of music was you a singer, right?
Uh-huh.
What type of music do you perform?
Right now I'm in a group called The Mamas, and
Mamas.
we do pop.
Pop? Okay. Cool. You have social media, right? Instagram or Facebook or something?
Yeah.
What's the Instagram?
Ash._.Haynes.
Ash._.Haynes. Hynes.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta give us something. You know, you gotta hit a note for us or something. You know what I mean? The YouTube folks want a note. They want something out of you.
Oh
you know?
God.
Give us something. Give us a little something.
Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile with your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile.
Woo! Got goosebumps. Look at that. That was amazing. That's really good.
Thank you.
Wow. I wish I could sing. I'd sing after every adjustment. You know. That was amazing.
Thank you.
That's really good. So you really know how to sing. That was really good. That was really good. So is that something, you're good at it, so you're pursuing it, that's your career, that's
definitely.
okay. Alright, so folks on YouTube, check out her page. It's Ash._.Haynes,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Go support our people, follow her and check out her music. Are you on what is it, Spotify
YouTube,
and all
if
this
you
other
search
stuff?
on YouTube, The Mamas.
You on YouTube as well?
Mm-hmm.
What is your channel?
I don't have a channel, but you can just search The Mamas. And
The
it'll come
Mamas
right up. Yeah.
on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I don't know anything about the artists, the type of industry. So, your music? Do you sell it on Apple or something like that?
Yeah, there's
you
music on
Okay.
Spotify, Apple
Right.
Music.
Okay.
The Mamas. Just search The Mamas.
Just search The Mamas,
Mm-hmm.
and then they can download, buy it, and all that
Yeah.
good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, performer from Sweden. Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you came in with it was lower back
Mm-hmm.
area, stiffness in the neck, certain movements, restrictions, and then we talked about what type of the course of treatment that we would do. So you did the stretches. Was that tight?
Kind of tight.
That was kind of
but
tight. Okay.
Doable.
Doable.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So I'm gonna start with some muscle work for the lower back. I'll use a massage gun to kind of loosen everything up, and then we'll do dry needling.
Okay.
Okay. After the dry needling, we'll adjust the cervical spine, and then after that, we're gonna send you back for massage.
Okay.
All right, and then we'll put you on the traction table with the stems to kind of, for muscle recovery and to kind of create more motion in that lower back. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions for me?
Nope.
So you'll be here for a little while. Are you in a hurry?
I'm here.
You're here.
Today.
You're here today. Yeah. So you're from Sweden, so you're here. All right. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna have you face down first. Okay. Now, if anything gets painful or uncomfortable, you let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Is that okay or that's fine? Okay. Yeah, that's a little tight.
Yeah.
Any pain with that? What I'm doing?
No, not really.
Not too bad.
It's tight. but
It's
not
tight. Yeah. All right. So you've never had dry needling before, right?
No.
Okay. Okay, the first needle's in. How was that?
Fine.
That's fine. How's that? Fine. So some areas you'll feel, it'll be a little bit more tender than others,
Okay.
especially the areas that are super tight where the trigger points are a little bit more prominent. Okay, you're doing all right? Switch to the other side. What do you feel when I insert the needle?
It's like a little pinch.
A little pinch. All right. There's a little tightness in this area here. You feel that one, right? So the problem areas are usually a little bit more tender. All right. So we're gonna let it sit for a little while, okay? And then after that, we'll let it work, and then we'll take them off. Okay, I'll start with the right side first, and then take off the left side. All right? Okay. How did that was different. You've never had that done before, right?
No, never.
Okay. Was there any pain? I mean, you felt the pinch and you felt some of the needles going in, but was it more painful than you anticipated? Or?
No, it wasn't that painful. But
Okay.
once you got to those
To
areas,
the problem areas,
you could feel.
You can feel
Yeah.
it. I got you. So I'm gonna do the adjustments for the neck, and then after that, we're gonna focus on that lower back because that's the primary complaint. With more massages to kind of help relieve that tension. Okay. All right. So I already did the exam. The goal is to increase that lateral flexion, which created a little bit of a pull. Okay. And a little bit of that rotation as well. All right. So I'm going to be on top of the table for this one. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so bring the table down. All right, so you're going to move forward. You'll be at the edge of the table for me. Okay. What I need you to do is just relax for me. Okay. Good. You can actually slide back for me just a little bit. Perfect. Good. We're going to rotate your head. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Good. And relax. There you go. Good. Good, good, good. Relax a little bit more. Oh.
Wow. Wow. Ooh, fix my leg. Wow. Okay.
Any pain with it?
No pain. Just like relief.
Relief, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, perfect. Let's go to the other side. Same scenario here. So just relax as much as you can, okay?
Okay.
All right. Rotate. Good. Go ahead, drop your head down for me a little bit. Good. Good. Relax as much as you can. Relax. There it is.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. The sound is so like, I love the sound. It's beautiful. It's music to my ears.
Any pain with it?
No pain.
No pain.
It doesn't feel painful.
Does it feel painful? Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do, we're focusing on massages, okay? Where you're going to be face down. The massage here, here, but then the main primary focus will be right here, okay? Any questions for me?
No.
No?
No. Just...
Okay, get up, move around for me a little bit. Let me know how you feel so far.
Feeling good.
Not too bad?
No.
Not too bad. Okay, perfect. All right, so then let's go ahead and go back.
How's that?
Okay. It's good.
You can do lower back, but do very light pressure. You can literally just. Okay, good. That's good down there on the lower?
Yeah.
Perfect. Pressure's good.
Still okay?
Mm-hmm.